Hello, this is Scott with Edison Billiard, and we're demonstrating our cushion profile tool today. And as you can see here, we have the tools. This is the more common. This is like the base model that you're probably familiar with guides to check cushion nose height. The wider guides are to make sure the cushion nose is in tolerance, and the narrow grooves are more of an exact setting. And then the new version of the tool has the profile setter on it. And this one is marked for K66. And as there are various other cushions, different models of K66, U23, K55 cushions, several different cushions, and we have several different profile tools for those cushions. And these gauges are set for a 2 1/4 inch pool ball, 2 3/8 and 2 1/8 inch. Profile tools are also available. And how you use the tool is to check cushion nose height, and you can do it with rails on or off the table. Rails off the table, you set the tool up flat on the bottom of the rail, and the cushion nose should be right in the groove there. And then for the tolerance setting, you can see it's a wider groove because there is a little bit of give, and you can see we're right in the middle of that groove. So that cushion nose is right on and will play just like it should. And then the on the table version is you just set the tool flat down on the table, and it should go right in to the cushion nose. As you can see, that one's just a little bit off. Okay, and so to set the profile, what we do is we take our tool, and we can see it real easy here on this gold crown blank. And this gold crown blank is set up for K55, but we're going to demonstrate how to use the tool with a 66 profile plate here, and that way we can really see the angle difference. And what we do is we slide the tool up, and we make the top of the rail flush with the top of the profile tool, as you see here, and then that is the angle that rail should be cut at. So no math, no calculating. It's very simple to use and very effective. And the angle has to be, the profile tool has to be square with the rail. It can't be off on an angle because it will mess you up if you don't have it square with the rail. And that's how you get the most accurate nose height. So there's how that one is set. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to make a little rail here, and we're going to set our nose height. We're going to set the top of our profile tool with the top of our rail, just like that. And let's see how we're setting here, and we're off just a little bit. So we're going to go over to the saw, and we're going to set up our table saw and reprofile our rail. And we do that right here. We set our profile tool up to our saw blade, and as our profile tool needed to be square with the rail, it also needs to be square with the saw blade. So now we're going to set our angle here, and that looks like it's right on to me. We're going to lock our blade in, and then we're going to saw our new profile. It looks like our fence is going to be just fine. there. See, it's quite easy. It's a very handy and accurate tool. We'll let our glue tack up. Sufficient there. We'll apply our cushion flush with the top of our rail. It's set on there. Check our nose height here. Install our reel stud. Nose height, as you can see, we're right in tolerance there. We're right on the money, and our ball should do exactly what it's supposed to. Again, a very handy tool, and set up for different cushions, different ball diameters, different reel thicknesses. That concludes our video.